I don't want to.
Come on.
No. Yeah, awkward inside.
Come on. Ah! Hello, everybody. So, Josh and my dad finished, mostly finished. Didn't completely
straighten out and form.
Okay. Straighten
And
they
brace and
Yeah, okay, so they're
level.
not done. But they put the rest of the ICF block forms on for our foundation for our new garage. So that's where we're at currently. Anything else? So once they level it, what else?
Level it, brace it. We have to cut open the doorways for the garage doors.
Ooh.
We have to add a little bit more to our addition, the 8-foot addition.
Oh,
Add a
yes.
little height
So
to that.
this section, we have to add a little height. Because this is the garage, and then this is our addition.
Yep.
And today, Josh is digging some holes for our porch. Whoop, whoop.
Yep.
So fun. Josh rented an auger and is digging the footings for the porch, the future porch that'll be right here. It's happening! Ah! How excited are you? Are we watching the concrete get poured? Oh my goodness.
So fun, it's happening.
It's happening.
It's happening, and we're drinking coffee.
Little spectators in there. I love these guys. They're the actual best people.
I think Bob's there.
The Anderson windows just got dropped off. We're doing all new windows throughout our entire house. They look so pretty. They're all here. So many windows. Josh is starting to fill in this area right around the trenches that were dug. And this whole section is already filled in. He's doing it. Looking so good.
Go.
Oh my gosh, there was a bee.
Go.
This is what our house looks like right now.
What?
Josh took the siding off starting yesterday. I was shooting weddings, so I came home to this house and I was a little bit scared
Why?
because
What's wrong with it?
I literally had to double take if this was actually our house. I stood outside the front door and I was like, wait, is this our house? And the siding is coming off because Josh is gonna we're gonna replace all the windows and put insulation on, and then new siding someday. Show them the backyard. Good explanation. Now Josh just started working on. Come here, come on. The backyard, taking the siding off of all of this. Honestly, that exposed wood is kind of a vibe. I'm liking it. Authentic farmhouse. Raw feel, you know. So here we are, and I'm sure we'll start doing this side at some point. Check out my garden.
It's a nice looking garden.
I think I have about 20 subscribers, so
Yeah, 10 of those are me.
10 Oh man.
I think they're reaching out to Dan pretty soon.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I don't know.
Those are some big
Oh, did I say 60 seconds?
Josh,
What's up?
him, I look at him and insurance like
smile for the video.
so you have
The first board for the floor.
ready? Ready? Ready?
It's in.
The floor of the new addition is on. So exciting. First wall being made. Almost done.
Look at that. Your neighbors across the street are
Wow.
watching every moment.
One wall up, another wall coming. Oh my goodness, that was so cool.
Isn't that cool?
Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Hello everyone. Josh just finished framing the addition to our house. I was inside working and cooking and doing other things, so I wasn't really a part of it at all. So here it is. One more wall is gonna be built like right here, because this section is our mudroom and we are standing in our kitchen. So exciting. And it's all done. Josh did a lot today. He did this wall and then that wall. And these ones, my family was here doing. And this is what we have at the end of the weekend. All of these walls are framed, temporary steps, not the final steps, but so exciting.